It has been an incredible last 7 days for uThemba Zwane. Simbonile-ke laphana ewina yona-ke i-CAF Champions League nayo-ke iMamelodi Sundowns, and I believe ukuthi-ke he is the only South African player to have won it twice. So akuzange-ke kuphelele lapho. Again, when they were announcing the final squad for Bafana Bafana that is going to the World Cup, Themba Zwane was one of those 26 players that were announced laphayana-ke ku-Union Building. So it has been a great week for uThemba Zwane. Now, with more exciting news for him, ukuthi-ke Mamelodi Sundowns have offered him a new one-year contract with an option to extend for a further year. So Zwane just keeps winning lately, and this is great for him. Washo-ke nalala phana bembuza ukuthi usazohlaleni ku-Sundowns, wathi kakazi usazobona, but sekuyavela-ke namhlanje-ke ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns are willing to keep him not only for one more season, baphinde futhi bamnika ne-option ukuthi menza kahle-ke futhi-ke kule season ezayo bazophinde bamnike futhi another one more year. So this is great because the player also indicated that he would love to finish his career at Klerkop.